Hello, hello, and welcome to Nails for the Week. My name is Lori, and I hope you're having an absolutely fabulous day today. I know I am because I'm here with you, and we get to play in the nail room. So today I have 3 mystery boxes from Color Club. They are $15.99 each, and you get your choice of A, B, or C. And I just took all of them. So here we go. If you want to see what's in them, keep on watching. Okay, the first one is called Shimmering Sea Glass. And here we go. If I can get the cover off, there we go. Whoa, I just lost my ring light. I don't know what happened. Of course, now we can't look at anything. There we go. First up, something goopy on it. That's okay. Looks like a matte top coat. Okay. Ooh, that's pretty. Shimmer. Looks like it's shimmering blue and green. Cute little polish on the bright side. So here we go with the first coat of on the bright side. It's definitely just a topper. Dries down matte. Second coat. Gives you a nice shimmer. Very pretty. And last but not least in this box, looks like a cream. Called I don't know because I couldn't read that. Okay, this one is called Made in the Shade. It is a very pretty light smoky blue cream. As you can see there, it's pretty much a one coater. Well, there was a few spots, so I decided to go ahead and do the second coat. And see how thick and creamy that is. Not too thick, but just nice and creamy. So it doesn't pool. Won't pool in your cuticles, that's for sure. So, thought I would show you what this whole box looked like on your fingers. Definitely overworking the polish. It is a matte polish, so you can very easily overwork it. Just do a few quick strokes and call her good. There you go. Goes on nice and smooth. That's made in the shade. And this will be on the bright side. It really just perks up that polish, doesn't it? Makes it nice and bright instead of kind of cloudy and foggy almost. Really pretty. I like it shiny and I like it matte too, so but we are going to go ahead and throw the matte top coat on there so that you can see what it looks like. And that is everything that you're going to get with the Shimmering Sea Glass mystery box. Next up we have Happy Harvest. And they're all the same size, so I'm assuming that they all come with 3 different things in there. There we go. Let's get the funky bottle out of the way first. Relaxation Vanilla Chai Cuticle Oil. I'll have to try that. See if I like it. Yes, smells very nice. And the bottle looks really cool. You can look at that pink stripe down the middle. Kind of yellow on top and orange on the bottom. Okay, next up. Ooh, that's pretty. It's kind of a deep forest green. It's called ARTSY CRAFTY. CRAFTY.
Do you ever come across images and videos on social media that you just...
And this is just a cream. It's kind of a touch on the blue side of a forest green. It is very pretty. And a 2-coater. And there is that one. Must have decided to go ahead and do 3 coats for this one. Although I don't know that it really needed it. Alright, last but not least in this box, it's got a holographic top, so looks like a dual chrome called Burnt Out. It's a red or orange, not red. It's an orange to gold duochrome. This one dries pretty matte. I think if you were to put it on a dark color, it might only need 1 coat, but like most duochromes, it needs a dark background or something in the background to clear it out. I don't know what I got in the pop stick there. Do you see that lump of whatever it is? But in 3 coats, it looks like it goes over to pink as well. So you got the orange and pink, and I believe gold. And there it is. And that's burnt out. Ooh, look how dry my cuticles are. My goodness, that's terrible. Do you guys have any idea how hard it is to paint your nails on camera? I've got to come up with some sort of stand or something to keep my finger in shot at all times. That was just 1 coat of Artsy Craftsy. And we're going to put a coat of Burnt Out on top of that. And you see that really only needs 1 coat when you have a dark color underneath of it. Although it is kind of hard to get all of the green covered up. And keep my finger in shot. Yes, we like being in shot. And there you go. Artsy Craftsy and Burnt Out. And a lot of green on my finger. There's your happy harvest box. Last but not least, we have Big Chill. Ooh, this one looks interesting. they're all white caps, so let's see. Ooh, that's pretty. A nice dark, nice navy blue cream called NAIL-ROBI. It's got a little bit of ugly bottle syndrome with a white at the bottom, but definitely a pretty polish. Of course, you know me, I love blue, so of course it's a pretty polish. Just ask me, I'll tell you. I'm going with the second coat just to show you how it performs. All right, second up. Ooh, that's pretty. That is a purple glitter, definitely a purple glitter called Glitter Bomb, which it definitely is. Looks like it has a couple different size hexes with some lavender. Yeah, I would say lavender metallic hexes, as well as some silver holographic hexes and some smaller lavender hexes. And this is kind of a clumpy mess, to tell you the truth. It just didn't seem to want to lay down flat on the nails. I was having a heck of a time. But I did get it to lay down, and all seemed right in the world. Looks like I'm just trying to make it opaque by brushing it, and yeah, it just doesn't work that way. It's definitely one that you would want to use a sponge on if you want to make it completely opaque. You see there are a few little spots there that are not covered by the glitter, but this is a glitter that is so bam off the nails that it'd be really hard to see unless you had something underneath that is way different than the polish. All right, next up, looks like we have a thermal polish called Feelin Free. The names on these are so tiny. I cannot believe person needs glasses just to read them. This polish is jelly-like. It's very jelly-like. It's not, you're not going to get it opaque in one for sure. But it definitely leaves that jelly squishy look on the nails, which I think is really pretty. I should have done a jelly sandwich with this, instead of just trying. Maybe next time I will do a jelly sandwich with that, just to see how it would look with the glitter bomb in the middle. See on my finger, look, all the dry skin is gone because I used the cuticle oil from the last box. All right, first coat of NAIL-ROBI in this box. Got some on my skin, so we'll just get rid of that. Try a little harder. All right. It's nice and opaque in one coat. And here we go with Glitter Bomb. Nope, I lied. First, we're gonna see how many coats it takes to get Feelin Free up to opacity, or at least so it's difficult to see the nail line. And I wanted to see how well it thermals. One coat, you can still see the nail line really well. And here we go with Glitter Bomb onto NAIL-ROBI. And I guess I just don't know. This is one coat. You're going to want to place the glitters where you want them because you get an absolute ton out on the brush without even trying. If you tried to get fewer glitters out, it's just not going to happen. It is definitely a glitter bomb. But it looks cute. It's a little heavy on the glitter for me personally, but that's okay. And it looks like and 2 coats of that thermal polish gets it up to complete opacity where you cannot see the nail line. Yeah, I'm just not liking the glitter bomb as a topper. I would say to just use it on the full nail as a full glitter nail. And pushing those glitters back up onto the nail where they belong. I mean, they're okay, but they're not great. You can see the Feeling Free thermaled up there, doing halvesies, and that is what you get in the Big Chill. I will say that it was hard to get the thermal to actually work, so keep that in mind. This is everything that you're going to get in those 3 boxes and how everything looks all done up. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you think the $15.99 per box is worth it, or if there's one box that you like better than the other, let me know. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to see more of me, please subscribe and have a great day. Bye!